Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to make this video to help you with stamping around the square to make a wreath or any type of special designs for your cards. So an example of what I mean is to make a card with this type of design, or let me show you this type of design. Any way you choose to make this template, it's all up to you. But this way is the option 2, which I think you're going to love. Okay, so what you'll need is either 2 squares or 3 squares. Either way, it'll work. Okay, so here's my design that I chose. And what you do is take any size square that you choose for your stamping tool. You'll angle them any way you wish and place your square on the template and how you want to stamp in all 4 corners or on the sides or however you want. So the reason why I say in 3 different colors is because so you don't get confused on what color you're on when you're doing your stamping. So if you want to stamp in all 4 colors on the white color, then you know that you're on that color. Then if you wanted to do a different color and do it on the sides, then you're on this color. Then if you wanted to angle your wreath or whatever you're stamping in that particular craft, then you'll be on the purple color or whatever color you choose. So I'll demo how to do this, but I just wanted to share with you how it's done. So you glue all these 3 pieces together. You can even laminate it. So I had some suggestions on that. And then you'll either get some temporary adhesive on the back and glue this down to your stamping tool so it doesn't shift when you're doing your stamping. So that's the idea, and it fits conveniently in your tool. You don't have to worry about, you know, something being too big or, you know, something like that. So I thought this would be helpful for you, and then I'll do a demo. Hopefully this video is not too long. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to tape this down to your stamping tool, and you're going to place your cardstock on whatever color that is on the, like the diamond shape. So in this case it's like a hot pink. So I'm going to, I've placed my little circles on my stamping tool, and I'm going to do my first circles. Again, I'm using the Whimsy Stamp Circle, I think it's a bokeh set or something, just to do like a little design. I'm going to stamp the circles like 4 times just to do something cool, like some kind of background. So we're just going to test this out. So I'm going to speed up the process. is my finished pieces ready to go on cards. Tell me in the comment section below, which way did you like better? Did you like the first option where you make a template using dies or a craft knife? Or do you like this option where you just cut out 3 squares in 3 different colors, glue them together, and just choose which color that you want to angle your square to stamp on? I think option 2 is really easy. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Take care and have a fabulous day.